Hello, friends. There is a new community that just launched that I want to make sure that you are aware of. This is for anyone who is looking for new answers for your health. Maybe it's mentally or emotionally or physical pain or chronic issues that you just can't seem to resolve. Well, there could be deeper answers at the foundation there. It's just being open to exploring new things. And what I do with frequencies and frequency medicine is very different and new. And I've been dreaming up a place where I could help people wade into this water and understanding how it works and how you could start to use it for yourself in both free and easy ways that are accessible to you right now, as well as new innovative ways in how technology and humanity as a whole we're moving forward. So when you come into Frequency Medicine Accelerator, you'll come through this door. You can check out some more information, further see, does this resonate with you? Is this something that you could see yourself connecting with? And if so, then I want you to come on into the group. We have an awesome community. Granted, it is brand new, but it's just going to grow over time. And I love that this will be a resource for anybody who's already in health and wellness. You can come in and create an introduction post, and that will act as a directory. In the future, people can search your location or search if you do a modality like the emotion code, they can search for that. And then in your introduction post, you could have links to all that you do. So that's a first step in just connecting with the community, is with an introduction. On this board and within this feed is where we actually interact. Unlike other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, it can often feel like an echo chamber where you're like, is anybody out there? This is actual community you'll find once you come in here. And then the real connection happens within the calendar, where we're going to have live events. Specifically, I'd like to invite you to the event we have next week. It's a really powerful training that I'm doing called Evaluate to Elevate, all about creating clarity for 2025. If you have some jumbled thoughts or you're debating multiple things in your life, should I go this way or that way? This is for you. I just did this with my business team. We did a big training and I've heard some really, really awesome feedback. So I wanted to offer that to the general public, and it's going to be nested right here within this community. So please come on into the community, add this to your calendar, and then you can just add it like that to whatever calendar you use and make this a priority. I guarantee you will come away with new clarity and at very least new tools for creating that. This same training helped transform the results in my business last year because I got laser focused on what actually mattered and in alignment with the true values that are unique to me. Not just what somebody else says or someone else's goal that seems like a good idea I should do. Through this lens, you're going to be able to see what is ideal for you and alignment in your daily actions. So besides that, we have an awesome classroom. You want to start here, and there is a course on frequency wellness. This is a whole new way to approach our health. So I've got the basics for you right here in this course. You're going to come away with tools to implement immediately and wonderful ways of even thinking outside the box and how our bodies work. So that's a great place to start. And then in the classroom, as you participate in our community, you're going to unlock more and more of these trainings. I have lots of information within the frequency toolbox, lots of different tools you could be using nature, as well as just learning more about frequency medicine, because this is a whole new field and way of approaching our health. Energy in relationships. Hello, who knows that relationships either bring us down or build us up? And the opportunity to experience bioresonance for yourself for 6 days and much more, including a giveaway There's a lot going on. A giveaway for the first 50 members in the group. I'd love you to be one of those. So you can come in here and you'll just by entering the group, you're going to be entered in that giveaway. And if you want extra entries, you can invite others into the group. Now, a little disclaimer for this group. This is for those that are new to frequency wellness or looking to expand your frequency practice. If you're someone that's specifically already using the AO scan, then this isn't one for you. In fact, I have other groups for that. But if this is before using something like the AO scan, then you definitely want to come in here and start to learn and understand how frequencies and energies affect the body. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I would love to see you inside this new group. Bye for now.